Namaste Gurukulians. Today in this video I'll start the chapter 12 areas related to circles of class 10. In this chapter we will study the perimeter of the circle, area of the circle and areas of the parts of the circle, that sector, segment. First of all, you know a circle. What is a circle? And you know the circular shapes. Some of the circular shapes like wheel, you know a wheel is in the circular shape. A bangle, the cake. So many circular shapes you know. And now, what is the perimeter of a circle? The perimeter of a circle. The distance traveled in one round of a circle is the perimeter of the circle. This is the circle. In other words, किसी सर्कल के अगर बाउंड्री पर एक राउंड लगाएं तो उसको हम डिस्टेंस को पेरीमीटर के इक्वल कहेंगे, और सिंपली यू कैन से द लेंथ ऑफ इट्स बाउंड्री इज द पेरीमीटर, द कंप्लीट लेंथ. दिस इज द circumference. And the length of this boundary, or you can say the perimeter of the circle, perimeter of the circle is known as the circumference. यानी पेरीमीटर को सर्कल के हम सर्कमफेरेंस भी कह सकते हैं, सर्कमफेरेंस भी कहते हैं. We know the ratio of the circumference and the diameter is a fixed constant. And this fixed constant is pi, and this is the Greek letter pi. यानी सर्कमफेरेंस और डायमीटर के रेशियो को हम पाई से डिनोट करते हैं, और ये फिक्स होता है फॉर एवरी सर्कल, नॉट ओनली इन वन सर्कल बट इन एवरी सर्कल. दिस इज कांस्टेंट, दिस इज फिक्स्ड. सो वी कैन से circumference upon diameter is pi. On cross multiplying, circumference is pi into diameter. If diameter is where r is the radius of the circle, then this is 2 pi r. If r is the radius of the circle, then 2r is the diameter. You know what is the radius of the circle? The line segment joining the center to any point of the circumference. This is the radius. And if this radius is equal to r, then diameter is 2r. If I'll complete this, then that is the diameter. So the length of diameter is 2r. So pi multiplied 2r is 2 pi r. This is clear. Now, area of a circle. What is the area? If a circle of radius r is given, the whole region inside its boundary is the area of circle. इसकी बाउंड्री के अंदर अंदर का जो रीजन है वो इस सर्कल का एरिया होगा. In previous class, you have learned how to find the area of the circle. If the circle divided into some small parts by dividing the diameters of the circle, or you can say in many sectors, and these sectors be arranged in a particular manner. Suppose this is one sector, and this is second sector, another sector, and this is the third sector, this is fourth, this is fifth, this is sixth, this is seventh, eighth, 9, 10, 11, and so many parts. What is this? This is the radius, and this is the half of the perimeter. अगर इसको और इसको प्लस करें तो ये पूरी पेरीमीटर है, बट ये हाफ पेरीमीटर. जितने ज़्यादा ये पार्ट्स होंगे उतना ही इसको हम एक स्ट्रेट लाइन सपोज कर सकते हैं. इफ दिस इज द स्ट्रेट लाइन, then this is the length of this rectangle, and this is the rectangular shape now, and this is length. And what is the length of the rectangle? Half of the perimeter, and we know the perimeter is 2 pi r. So length is pi r. Breadth of this or width that is R. So area of this rectangular shape L into B, length is pi R and breadth is R, so the area of circle is pi R square. So this is the formula for area of circle. Now one more question, what value of pi we will use in calculating the area and perimeter of the circle? Pi is an irrational number. We know in ninth class we have studied about this pi in first chapter. The pi is the irrational number, and you know the decimal form of an irrational number is non-terminating and non-repeating. Because of that, this is irrational. So I'll take the value of pi for calculating the area and perimeter 22 by 7 in rational form or 2.14 in decimal form. So these values we will use in calculating areas and perimeter. So one example, only one example is given before this first exercise. The cost of fencing a circular field at the rate of 24 rupees per meter is 5280 rupees. Rate of fencing. You know the fence? बाउंड्री पर अगर कुछ लगाना तो उसको फेंसिंग कहते हैं. is 24 rupees per meter. Total cost of fencing. It's also given 5280 rupees. So if we divide this 5280 by 24, we can find the length of the fencing. So length of the fence 5280 upon 24, this is in meter, and that is 220 meters. And we know the formula for the boundary, the length of the boundary is the formula of the circumference. 2 pi r is 220. We know the value of pi, and it's given in the question also. 22 by 7 is 220, r as it is. We have to find r. R is 220 multiplied by 7. We will take the reciprocal of this into 22. 2 5 1035 meters. This is the radius. Now the next part of the question, the field is to be plugged at the rate of 0.50 per square meter. अब खेत को जोतना है 50 पैसे पर स्क्वायर मीटर की रेट से. फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ प्लगिंग द फील्ड. तो टोटल को जोतने का खर्च क्या होगा? फॉर दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द फील्ड. फेंस लगाते हैं बाउंड्री पर और जोतते हैं उसके अंदर के एरिया को. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द सर्कुलर फील्ड. सो एरिया ऑफ द सर्कुलर फील्ड that is pi r square pi is 22 by 7, r is 35. We will multiply 2 times because square is given. 3850 square meter is the area, and the cost of plugging the field the rate is 50 paise per square meter and the area is 3850 square meter. So the cost is 1425 rupees. 1925 rupees is the cost of plugging the field. Now, first question of the exercise. Exercise 12.1, first question. The radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter because two circles are given. So the radius of the first circle at R1, that is 19 centimeter, and of second, that is R2, that is 9 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of the two circles. Two circles are given. The radius of one R1 19 centimeter and another circle of radius R2 9 centimeter, and the third circle whose circumference is equal to sum of the circumferences of these two, and the radius of the circle is r. We have to find the radius of this circle. इन दोनों की circumferences का sum इस अकेले circle की circumference के equal है, तो हमने radius find out करनी है. So let radius of third circle is small r. So circumference of third circle is equal to sum of the circumferences of two given circles. The circumference of this third circle, because radius is r, that is 2 pi r, and of this circle 2 pi r1, and the second one 2 pi r2. 2 pi is common from the right side, 2 pi into r1 plus 2 pi cancel out, so r is r1 plus r2, r1 is 19 and r2 is 9. So r, the radius of third circle is 28 centimeter. And the second question is same, in that the sum of areas of two circles is given to the area of third circle. So similarly you can solve this second question easily. Now I will explain the third question. In this third question, figure is given. In figure, an archery target marked with its 5 scoring regions from the center onwards outwards. इसके सेंटर से लेकर बाहर की तरफ 5 रीजन्स दिए हुए हैं. The first region is gold region. This is gold region, and the second one is red region. Third, blue region. Fourth, black region. And the finally fifth region is white region. It's given in the question. The diameter of the region representing gold score is 21 centimeter. So I write the radius of gold region. Let that is R1, and R1 is 21 by 2, that is 10.5 centimeter. And each of the other bands is 10.5 centimeter wide. इसकी रेडियस ये भी 10.5 सेंटीमीटर, ये विड्थ ये भी 10.5, 10.5 is also 10.5, 10.5 centimeter. So width of each part is 10.5 centimeter, and the radius of gold region is 10.5 centimeter. Find the area of each of the 5 scoring regions. So we have to find the area of 5 regions. For that, we will find the area of gold region first. So area of gold region, it is pi R1 square. Pi 22 by 7, R1 is 10.5. So I will write 2 times because square is given. 1.5, so 10.5 that is 346.5 square centimeter. This is the area of gold region. Now the radius gold plus red region, that is R2. R1 of gold one, this 10.5, red region की width 10.5, रेडियस सेंटर से मेजर होती है, तो सेंटर से यहाँ तक की रेडियस ये इस रीजन की होगी, गोल्ड प्लस रेड, दैट इज 10.5 प्लस 10.5 plus 10.5, that is 21 centimeter. And now area of gold plus red region, it is pi R2 square. Pi 22 by 7, R2 21. I'll multiply 1386. But we have to find the area of red region separately. तो गोल्ड प्लस रेड रीजन में से गोल्ड रीजन का एरिया अगर माइनस कर दें इस कंप्लीट में से, अगर ये गोल्ड रीजन माइनस कर दें तो क्या बचेगा? रेड रीजन. सो एरिया ऑफ रेड रीजन area of gold plus red minus area of gold. 1039.5 square centimeter. Now for the blue region, I'll find the area of gold plus red plus blue, all the three regions. Then I'll subtract the area of gold plus red. So radius of gold plus red plus blue region, that is R3, 10.5 plus 10.5 3 times 31.5 centimeter. Now we can find the area of gold plus red plus blue region, that is pi R3 square. Pi 22 by 7 R3 is 31.5, 31.5. 22 multiply 31.5, 31.5 multiply 4.5. So we can find easily on calculating. इनको मल्टीप्लाई करके इसका एरिया निकाल सकते हैं. एंड फॉर द ब्लू रीजन we will subtract this area of red and gold region from this. Then we can find the area of blue region easily, and similarly we can find the areas of all the regions separately. So you can simplify, you can find area of all the regions separately yourself in this question like this. Now I'll explain next question. In the same way you can find the areas of all the regions separately. Last question, question number 4. The wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. So the radius of the wheel, radius of the wheel, that is R, because diameter is 80 centimeter, so radius is 80 upon 2 is 40 centimeters. How many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? Time is given 10 minutes. And speed is 66 kilometer, 66 kilometer per hour. Time is given in minutes and radius is given in centimeters. I'll change this into meters. 2 by 5 meter radius. I'll change this speed in meter per minute, that is 1100 meter per minute. So we can find the distance traveled by the car in 10 minutes. Total distance traveled by the car. We know the formula for distance, because distance is speed into time. So speed is 1100 and time is 10 minutes, that is 11,000 meter total distance. And we know the distance traveled by the wheel in one revolution is equal to its circumference. एक राउंड में ये अपनी circumference के इक्वल डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा. तो डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बाय द व्हील in one revolution is equal to its circumference. एक राउंड में कोई भी व्हील अपनी circumference के इक्वल डिस्टेंस कवर करता है. 2 pi if it is given, then I'll put that value, but if it is not given, then you can put any value of pi. That pi is 22 by 7 and radius is 2 upon 5, 88 upon 35 मीटर. इतनी डिस्टेंस एक रेवोल्यूशन में, और ये टोटल डिस्टेंस. अगर मैं इसको इससे डिवाइड कर दूं तो नंबर ऑफ रेवोल्यूशंस आ जाएंगे. नंबर ऑफ रेवोल्यूशंस total distance upon, and total distance is 11,000 upon 88 upon 35, 88 35 रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा इसका. 11 1 जा 11, 125 into 35, that is 125 into 35, four 4,375 revolutions. इतने चक्कर लगाएगा पहिया 10 मिनट में. This was the question number 4.